most welcome to New Automation Technology PR Corporate. Today we have one scenario. I was asked by many people that how can I install the Google Meet on my computer, right? I know that on your phone, just like right there, you can just go right away to Google Play Store. But the question is, how can you install it on your personal PC? That is what we are going to look at it today. So, in case you see new in our platform right here, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumb up, right? I hope you can do that one right now. Do it right now. Alright. So, my name is called Brother Samuel from New Automation Technology. I am your instructor for this wonderful episode that we are going to fix the problem. How can you install the Google Meet into your computer? Okay, to do it, it is just really very simple, right? And the first thing that you need to have first, you need to have the Google account. You need to have Google account. I repeat, Google account is just like having the Gmail, right? So when you have it, it is going to be simple. All right. When you have it, please make sure you log in into your account. Then when you log in, this is what you're going to do. If you already logged in, you are going to just come here. Your account will be having this icon here, which is called the app launchers, right? Just come and click right here. When you click right here, just scroll down. As you can see, we have the meet here. Click on it. So when you click there, you are expected to first sign in, right? You have to first sign in. So when you sign in like this, you are going to select an account. I'm going to use this account. In case you have another account now, you wanted to use it, say use another account, right? Then let me say sign in. So I am going to enter my password. Boom, like that. Right now I am in the Google Meet right away. Okay, now when you wanted to install the Google Meet, there is some few things that you need to do first, right? You have to first do some few things. Okay, if in case you have a new meeting, you can just come here and say you wanted to make the schedule. Just right away make a schedule. Okay, when you're making your schedule, you are supposed to first enter the meeting, the title for your meeting like this. You can say it New Automation Technologies. Let me say it. Staff meeting 24, right? Like this. So you can't even just select the date and time. So you can set every day, like yeah. For me, I wanted to have it every day like this. I'm just doing this demo so that we can install, right? Then say save. Guys, as you can see, I've already created my meeting right here. This is the meeting and the date that I've done. So in case you want to start the meeting, just come and click here. But this was not our plan. Our plan is just all about install the Google Meet on your computer. Come and click on install right here. Install button is here. Then say install, and that's it. So the process of installation will get started on your PC. Yeah, it is already here. It's already here. It's already installed here as an app, right? Let us go and check it out. Let us check it out. You should be able to see the Google Meet icons on your PC. As you can see, I have it already here. This is my Google Meet icon. It was not there before. So from here, you can now start the meeting with people. You can make your schedule. You can do everything from here with people, right? Yes. Hope you have learned it. You have learned this, and just very simple like that. For in case you have a question and you wanted to ask me, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section right there. Yes. Thank you for being a part of New Automation Technologies team. Yeah.